Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova 12S to an Android device. Begin by launching App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when they're ready, launch them. Now to use Send Anywhere, you need to set it up. Let's start with HUAWEI. Click on I accept and confirm, continue, and allow. On an Android though, choose I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. Then in this window about new updates, click on OK or select Not Now and click OK then. Finally, you can tap on your Android screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on HUAWEI, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Then close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!